Hello everybody, and welcome to Hollow Knight. I've been wanting to play this game for a while. I've kind of started on it, given a little shot. It's really tough. I don't understand half the shit that's going on, so please bear with me. As you can hear, it's got a really beautiful soundtrack, and I really want to, get into it, so let's give it a shot. Yeah, you can see I kind of started off, got 16 minutes in, kind of didn't really get into it too much, so we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. I'll start a new game for you guys, and I'm gonna set my timer here. So in Wilds Beyond they speak your name with reverence and regret, for none could tame our savage souls, yet you the challenge met. Under palest watch you taught we changed, base instincts were redeemed, and a world you gave to bug and beast as they had never dreamed. Wow, I barely got that. I was setting my timer. Alright, let's get into this. So, got some chains and some glowy shit. I think this is the bad guy. Yeah, that's the bad guy. Oh, I saw that earlier. That's why has it got an alien face on the left there? That's like what is it called? Your lives, when they sit in the top left. But yeah, this game is tough. But it is very beautiful. Here you got your main character and somewhat of a dead-looking city, but it is beautiful nevertheless. Actually reminds me a lot of what's that game? Don't Starve. Has that like Tim Burton animation style. Really, really beautiful. Oh, here we go. Getting right into it. There's a bunch of spooky birds. But yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of work with the controls here. Looking on my controller, seeing how these work. Got X for attack and all that. Let's give this a good shot. Oh shit! Forgot about him. Got some money. I don't know what the money's used for. Guess you could shop later on. There's one down here. I'm gonna kill him before he hits me. I went up there the last time. I'm actually gonna... Oh, hey, there's a money thing. Okay, let's check it, because sometimes these are trapped. I hate those. Alright. Let's head up here. Check out what's going on. Oh! See, that's what I was telling you about. Alright, let's talk... Oh, yeah. We can talk to this. Higher beings, these words are for you alone. Your great strength marks you amongst us. Focus your soul and you shall achieve feats in which others can only dream. Collect soul by striking enemies. Once enough soul is collected, hold B to focus soul and heal. So apparently in the top left there, that jar of white Kool-Aid is our health. Oh, birds! Stop it. I don't like birds, dude. I don't like these ones. These birds are no good. Let's see what's over here. Shit, there's a secret. And there's spikes. Okay. Oh. Bird! Stop it. Stop it. I don't like it. Oh, ow. Okay, so I hold B. Okay, there I go. I got more life. Let's get that money. White? Okay. Just gotta hold A, I guess. When I jump. Oh, I remember this. Okay, there is a... Yep, there it is. There's a trap there. Get our money. Ooh. Okay, there we go. We're good. Keep getting spooked. This game's got a real, like, ominous setting. but the music, oh my god. Bird! Oh, the spike was coming down, just whapped him. Oh, what's over here? Oh. Chrysalis full of blue Kool-Aid. Oh my, I just killed all those butterflies. I feel so bad. Alright. But yeah, I've just been checking things out on the interwebs, been watching some podcasts. I watched a really good one. Oh no. I watched a really good one. It was the official podcast. They were talking about the Great Emu War in Australia. I love that so much. Oh no. What just happened? In Australia. Yeah, so what happened was there was a war between like 20,000 some emus and the Australian government or something. And they weren't able to kill all the emus. It's just like, I don't know, there's a whole Wikipedia article on it, and it's insane. Oh, I did it bad. So I'm not supposed to go across there, apparently. Unless I'm missing out on like a in-game strategy getting across. But yeah, there was apparently a great emu war in what's it called in Australia? I get like a real hoot out of that. Higher beings. These words are for you alone. Beyond this point, you enter a land of king and creator. Step across this threshold and obey our laws. Bear witness to the last and only civilization, the eternal kingdom, Hollowness. Okay. So everything seems to have like an insect theme. I have to smash this door. But yeah, I really like this game. I wanted to get into it. It has yeah, it's just really nice. I'm excited. I wanna like get into the boss fights and stuff because I've heard some of the music is really cool. Okay, so we're in Dirtmouth now. Oh, there's the mayor. Mayor.
Odolan, Nahato.
Used to be there was a great kingdom beneath our town. It's long fell to ruin, yet it still draws folks into its depths. Let me see. Wealth, glory, enlightenment. That darkness seems to promise all things. I'm sure you too seek your dreams down there. Oh, watch out. It's stickly air that fills the place. Creatures turn mad and travelers are robbed of their memories. Perhaps dreams aren't such great things after all. Well, that's pretty depressing. There's a chair. Nice. Let's see what else is here. Inspect. Oh, okay. They're opening soon, apparently. So, I guess they're all, like, dead. They all went down this well. Oh! Get wrecked, kid. I'm not going down that well. I didn't actually know I can come over here. Stone door with a simple lock. Oh, so I need a key. Guess I could, like, come back to these areas? I don't know half this shit right now. Into the depths we go, I guess. To find a bunch of random shit. Yeah, so I tried starting up a Skyrim playthrough. And my god, that thing crashed on me real quick. Give me that money. Oh, that's a big boy. No, stop it. Okay, we're good. Beat him up and took his money. Smashing everything down here. The amount of property damage we're doing is ridiculous. Alright, so let's head this way. Check out what's over here. There's a big house. Anything past it? Before we head in? Let's check out. There's so much. Like, when I was down here earlier, there's just... I haven't been in this area entirely. Like, I spent 16 minutes in that whole other area. Not knowing what the hell's going on. Oh, another big boy. Run. Alright, we're good. So, yeah. Oh, okay. So there's a lot of things I don't understand about this game. The controls are pretty simple, but it feels like I'm missing something. Let's head up here. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. That's a big boy. Oh wow, I can't even touch him. I will come back here. I don't think I can fight that guy yet. Let me heal up first. Oh, damn. Yeah, I should probably heal up twice. And get that going. So I can only get hit a certain amount of times before dying. Let's see what's going on over here. Alright, we can just smash more property. What the hell? Hey, buddy. Bury my brother. Well, bury my mother. Sorry, I misread that. Pale and slight. Bury my father with his eyes shut tight. Bury my sisters 2 by 2. And then when you're done, let's bury me too. What the hell, dude? This little sweet little monster has some horrible tales to tell. Do you know that one? It's one of my favorites. You can sing something else if you'd like. You start singing and I'll join in. I bet you have a beautiful singing voice. No, I can't sing worth shit. How about we sing some good old folk songs? Gotta love those. Oh my god. So what are you down here for? You came to get wealthy? Just look around you. These mines are still bursting with riches. There's plenty for everyone. Grab a pick and join in. Oh no! Where? What is this? Oh! What are you? What's this to hit you? Oh. Okay. I don't like that, dude. I don't like that thing. What's over here? So that was a dead end. So much for that. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, that's where we came from, huh? Let's go this way. I think put a bunch of dead ends. Oh, birds! Get them out of here. Get out of here. Oh, well, looks like we're going down here. Let's see what we got. Okay. I see. So we can't do shit down there either. There's a bunch of birds. Nope. Stop it. Oh no. I hate birds. I do not like those birds. I have to use some of my Kool-Aid. What have I done? Use the rest of our Kool-Aid to get going. Spooky town. Oh, okay. No, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Don't go back for it. Oh, what is that? That's a tall boy. He jumps. All right, there we go. Winner. What? There's a bunch of big boys down here. I need to make some more help. Oh. Can I make any more? No, I can't. Get cheese. You fool. Oh. What have I... Get out of here, kid. What have I done? Where am I? Where am I going? Ow. What is that? There's a dog! I want that dog. Give me that dog. Give me this. He saw me! Oh. I bet you I can get that guy. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Oh, there's a bug. No! Look at all these monies, dude. Oh, hell yeah. That's everything. Oh my. Walked right into that one. Now I have 1 life left. What am I doing? There we go. Okay. Probably should have killed that little bug. Oh, what is this? Let's just go. Oh, there's flies now. Worse than birds. Let's make sure we're not falling into a spike trap. Seem to be good. Oh, what is going on over here? Oh, mosquito dude.
嚯，当这次的。
Hello there. Come down to explore these beautiful old ruins. Don't mind me. I have a fondness for exploring myself. Getting lost and finding your way again is a pleasure like no other. We're exquisitely lucky, you and I. I'm the cartographer by trade, and I'm working on mapping this area right now. Would you like to buy a copy of my work so far? Yes. Yes. I would like a map, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Hold LB to view map of current area. Okay.
Choco,
A
correct
map
this.
could be a useful thing, but it alone will show you where you are. If you're not the head for directions, I suggest purchasing a compass from my wife, Zelda. She's just now opening our new map shop in Dirtmouth, selling all sorts of useful things, and to wanderers like yourself, she will even sell you some of my old maps from time to time. I pop back to see her whenever I finish mapping an area. She's always excited to see me. Okay, so that's the what's it called? The house that's up top that we're able to check out. Let's go down here and check this out. I actually want to. Oh, okay, so we get different things. Focus. That's a B. That's a weapon as well as a map. Okay. So here right now. Okay, so he hasn't where the mosquito guy is. That's where we are right now. And I just went to where that house is up top. That's where the big boy is. So what's to the left here? There's like a little chamber, it says down here. Well, this map's not 100% accurate. What the hell is that? Yo. Actually, what? I cannot hurt it. Oh, wow. Actually, what the hell, dude? Oh, wow. Okay, so now we got acid and a mosquito. Oh, he spits out babies. Get out of here, kid. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Don't touch me. Oh. You monster. You fooled me with the promise of that dog. I saw a dog and I'm gonna collect him. Come here, baby boy. Hell yeah. Well, we did die, so it'll take me a while to get back where we were. But I think I'm going to end the episode here. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really enjoy producing content for you guys, and I'm looking forward to creating more in the future. So thanks again. I will see you all in the next video.